Tenses grammar question answer. The flash of the torch dash a cobra. Option D, revealed. It was his dash that led him to penury. Option C, extravagance. The statue was so dashed that people stared at it in horror. Option A, grotesque. The police sprayed tear gas dash on the protesters. Option D, indiscriminately. We were dashed from seeing the prisoner. Option B, prohibited. Ram was praised for his dash leadership. Option B, visionary. The angels are equal, consequently, the sides are dash. Option C, equal. The latest dash I have bought is a dishwasher. Option C, appliance. You will find it difficult dash, but later you will get used to wearing a mask. Option A, initially. The noise of the drum beats dash and frightened the tiger. Option B, perplexed. His words were dash for the occasion. Option C, appropriate. The three brothers formed a little dash within the family. Option A. Coterie. I can dash him without qualifications. Option A. Recommend. After your long illness, I am happy to see you dash. Option B. Up and about. He went there dash. Option A. On foot. He went there on foot. In these days of inflation, we all have to dash our belts. Option C. Tighten. In these days of inflation, we all have to tighten our belts. He dashed to help R and called me a fool. Option A. Refused. He refused to help R and called me a fool. The father dashed the throne for his son. Option C. Relinquished. The father relinquished the throne for his son. I saw a dash of cattle grazing in the meadow. Option A. Herd. I saw a herd of cattle grazing in the meadow. The lady dashed to be a close relative of ours. Option D. Turned out. The lady turned out to be a close relative of ours.